Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and a possible bounce. Yeah, you heard it right, guys. I mean, it's already bouncing. We talked about bouncing off near this fib right here, which we talked about trading sideways and possibly bouncing up. And now we're talking about maybe a bigger run, maybe a little bit more sideways, but we're getting some confirmations uh, on some of these indicators. Plus, we also are getting that full moon, guys, in 2 days. So, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. First off, we're going to start with Bitcoin, of course. We're only going to do Bitcoin, but we're also going to start with what I call the MACD. And remember, I told you guys, I did a lesson for you guys the other day on this MACD. And we talked about when the MACD crosses on the daily on a higher term time frame, that this could potential be the start of a potential move here. Potentially start a big move. So I'll show you an example. We're starting to cross here. Okay. Let's see. We crossed here. Let's see. We crossed here. We crossed here. Let's see. This was kind of a fake out, so we'll make the fake out. We'll even cross it though, just see what kind of percentage. We'll turn that one like a green. Okay. Then we had one here, and we had one here, which is kind of like a fake out. We're just gonna do a whole bunch of these, right, guys? We had one here, but let's do the fake outs. Let's do these in red. The fake outs in green. Let's see, but we don't know. I don't know. I'm just showing you guys. See, they could not be fake outs. Let's find out. That was a red. So then we got our green. All right. So let's do a handful of these here. All right. So what do we got? We're getting our cross here. We got one cross here, which produced. Now this is Bitcoin. You get into some of these altcoins and the gains could be big. This works with stocks as well, guys. So we're at 13% there. Okay, I'm going to show you the settings. And we're at 8% there. Okay. Now, which we thought was a fake out, still gave us a nice percentage. So we'll mark that. So even if it comes up and just crosses a little bit, that's 7% there. Okay. I mean, on Bitcoin, guys, these are big percentages. I mean, look at this. 7,200, 8,350, 12,823. I mean, that's like crazy. Now, if you look at this one, guys, which was not a fake out because it was in green. So look at this one, top to bottom. Actually, we could have rode this probably all the way up to the top, huh? Well, let's just go to the high before. The high would be up here. I mean, that's 55%. Shoot, we could even have took that green one. Let's just say we take the green one just on a short trade here. You're still up almost $4,000 and 6% there, 55% here. So yeah, the MACD is pretty much it just does not lose when you get these crosses. Okay, and I'm going to show you the settings that I'm using, guys. I actually got these settings off of an old book that I read. Okay, I read this old book, and the lady's name was Linda Raskey. Okay, so check her out, guys. She's a professional trader. Here's one of her strategy. Here's the strategy of the MACD. There's some of the settings here, but we can go over the settings. She's got MACD. You go to inputs. You go to fast length 12, slow length 26, source close, signal smoothing 9, oscillator type EMA, signal line EMA, time frame chart. Wait for time frame to closes. That's checked. And we scroll down. We got more inputs. Okay, so this is for different. Okay, this website, I pulled this up. This is for different for crypto and stocks and forex. Okay, so if you guys want to check that out, it's called the mindmathmoney.com. Just try to look her up, Linda. I'll spell it for you. RAS. Okay, CHKE. Okay, so you guys can type that in. You can see it right here as well. I mean, sometimes I don't know why, guys. Some of my videos are only recording in I think 480p. I'm trying to figure out the settings on here. I think they want me to pay for it through YouTube. I don't know. I got to look more into it. Um, so sometimes it can be blurry. So I try to read and say a lot of this stuff to you, so you can see it. But those are the settings for MACD, and you can see how the MACD is starting to cross. On top of that, guys, we got our moon chart here, which we charted. If you guys didn't see those videos, check my moon charts out. The last couple videos I did, we talked about the moon chart, and we talked about how the moon phases can really make you a lot of money in the stock market and crypto markets and all markets all around. The moon phases control emotions. They've been doing this since the 1930s and 1920s. Okay. So check it out. The next full moon is February 12th. And what do you know, guys? Bitcoin is starting to make that move. We're getting a bounce on the MACD. Okay. We also got some different here. You know what? I'm going to go to my settings too, real quick for my MACD so I can give you guys an example right here. Okay. So I have on my settings, on my input, I have 3. I have the slow length 10. I got source close. That's why I was reading that first one. That's not what I had. But then I saw in the second one that they did have that. I got signal smoothing 16, oscillator EMA, signal line MA is SMA. Okay. Chart time frame. That's it. Okay. Then I just checked all the boxes. You can change colors and do whatever you want. But those are my settings for my MACD, guys. These are the best MACD settings that you could ever get. You can make a lot of money. This lady opened up a hedge fund and become one of the biggest traders in the world with these settings. Okay. All the stuff I'm giving you guys is pure gold right now. So please make sure you like my videos. I did a lot of research, a lot of reading books, a lot of technical analysis over the last more than almost 10 years now. And, it took me a lot of work to get to this point, and I'm trying to share it with you guys. So if you guys find value in that, make sure you sub, make sure you like the videos, watch my videos, do all that fun stuff. Comment, tell me what you guys want to hear. But look, guys, we're hitting the MACD cross. We're coming up into a full moon. There's a lot of positives here. Could we dip down a little bit before that moon hits? Yeah. Could there be some little sideways from here? Yeah. But in the end, I think we're going to go a lot higher. And if you look to your right, you'll see where I have the monthly low at that $89,000 area. We have the weekly low at 91,200. We got the monthly open at 93,347. We got the weekly open at 97,676. We got the weekly high at 102,599, and we got the monthly and the yearly high because it hit. Oh no, I'm sorry. The monthly high. I'm sorry. Yeah, the monthly high is at 109,358. Okay, guys. So we're looking for more upside here. Okay. Make sure you guys type all these settings down. Check them out. Back test them yourself. Do what you like. I'm giving you the gold. Okay. I'm giving you guys the nuggets. Okay. Yeah. So, we can look for some of the altcoins too. Some Ethereum. Let's check out Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum's doing real quick. We talked about this. Man, guys, we can't chart this any better, can we? I mean, I drew this trend up almost 2 years ago. Look at this. It's riding this trend this whole time. It even came down recently and bounced off it on that last move at that 21. Then we talked about it coming up and we didn't want to see it closing under this box here because then we were going to fight with this box. Oh, great. Security warning. Okay, that's nice. Okay. So we were talking about this this box here. Okay, and fighting in this box. We can move this over actually a little bit. And you can see all the times we got rejected with Ethereum. And now you're seeing it right here. So we still want to see, some kind of higher term time frame because we still haven't seen that. We had it come up wick, but then it closed back into this box. We have no higher time frames, not a daily, nothing closing above $2,800. Once we see that, maybe a little sideways break above that, break this trend, and maybe we could see Ethereum start to go test these all-time highs. Okay, but I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Much love to you. We went over Bitcoin, we went over the moon charts. What else? What else? I think that's it, guys. We're looking for a bounce. I mean, look, the MACD is telling us it's undefeated in the last, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even the fake outs were undefeated. Okay. Let's just keep this thing going. And we got over a 70% chance with that moon. So now you got some correlations that are happening right now. So let's see if this plays out. Okay. Is there anything else on the chart that we can see? I mean, look, everything's starting to curl. Let's see. On the daily, the stochastic will actually cross up to the upside on some kind of daily close above 96, 500 area, 400 area. Okay. So keep an eye on that as well. If we can get a close above there, then the MACD will flip around. Do I think this is going to be a huge move? No, but we could get like a nice 5 to 10% or even test. Where would that put us? Let's see. The only reason I'm saying that because the volatility is kind of not there. So we'll look and see what kind of move we were looking at. Well, we could get back to that 102 600 area, or possibly even reaching the 105 104 area, and then maybe trade sideways, or we'll have to re-examine the chart from there. Okay, guys. But I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. I just keep its purpose only. But, I appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you guys comment, sub, do all that fun stuff. I'm putting my time out here for you guys, okay? So much love to you guys, and peace out.